Good morning everyone, or magandang umaga na naman sa inyong lahat. So another day, another vlog. So for today's video, I have something to share to you. Some of my bonsai materials here. One of the bonsai materials that I'm going to share to you is this my tamarind. So this is just an update. So and when since I noticed that the front parts of my materials is covered by some trunk. So some changes to be made from this bonsai materials by cutting this one here. So I need to cut this trunk so that we can see the front of my bonsai materials. So we have already the opening of the front of my bonsai materials in here. So it's very nice to look now. So have you noticed it's already open on this area? So this is my front of my bonsai materials. This is tamarind, very old already. So it is just an update of my tamarind. It's produced already plenty of shoot. So since I'm done with my tamarind bonsai materials, we will proceed to another bonsai materials in here, which is my bonsai materials. So this is Ficus nana, and this is the natural size of the leaves of this Ficus nana. So very big. So you see the leaves very big. Now I would like to share to you some of my Ficus nana that already produce some small leaves over here. Now this is now my Ficus nana that are already small leaves. So if you compare that one, so this Ficus nana leaves, the original leaves of the Ficus nana, and still big leaves. So now I make the bonsai and produce already a small leaves. So the secret, what is my secret? I just always defoliate some of my Ficus nana over here. That's why it produces a small leaves. So I show something of my Ficus nana that supposed to be defoliate so that it will become a small leaf like this one. So you can compare, it's still a big leaves. Now, what I'm gonna share to you this morning is that Argo, Taiwan, that I already market and then produce plenty of rot. So I will transfer that to cascade pot. So since I don't have a pot for cascade that is vacant, I will look for another pot somewhere in this area. So I got some cascade bonsai pot here. So maybe this I will transfer this tamarind to another pot. So I got here. So time is to start. This is now my Argo, Taiwan, and it's already produced plenty of rot. So this is my style and how to produce mini bonsai materials. So I cut this one, then put into a cascade pot. So the remaining very hard. Okay, so it's already. So this one, I will make this into a small bonsai materials. So it will produce a shoot over this area. We will go to dive, then going like. So now we'll drop this one, and so I get my Tamarind in here. I try to make my video shorter for this day. So this one, there's a wire. Just pull this up. It's very hard. Okay, so it's already produced plenty of root. So I just threw that. That is nicer. This spiral can be what we call is can be visible, but I try to do visible on this one so that it looks nice. So I just make support because this is heavy, quite a little heavy, then it will collapse. So I just put some stick in the center. So I'm done working on my Argo Taiwan bonsai materials, which I transfer or I market it from this mother plant, my Argo Taiwan. Then I will make into this another bonsai, and we have another, and it produces cascade bonsai materials. So just sharing what is my style in making or producing more bonsai materials in my garden. I just do the marketing, some cuttings, and other way to make your bonsai materials into mini or plenty. So I don't know how to express that in other words, another sentence. So just apologize to my grammar. Sometimes it will not in a correct way. So just hope you understand, especially to those fluent in speaking English. So this is it. So if you look like that, it's nice. Try to my camera. It's nice. Just hope it's nice. So just sharing. So the tamarind, I just put that into the wild, putting another local pot, then let them grow wild. So for this morning, just sharing. This is now my bonsai materials. Another bonsai materials. Sometimes I get confused to how to express in English. So because I'm fluent in our dialect here, that I just want to share this one. That's why I speak in English, so that bonsai enthusiasts from other country can also understand what I'm seeing in our country also, so that they can understand sometimes. So this morning, just sharing. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. Bye-bye.